thing working? Okay. I think it's working. It's working. Okay, well, my name's Alweezy. I'm 13 years old. And I'm just a beginner rapper. And I got this rap thing that some 7th graders from Iowa want me to rap for them. It's like a cell thing or something. And I've got to go get my drill tightened in a few minutes, so I'm just going to have to do this real fast. So I'm going to bring up in this, what goes in and goes out. Chromatin, chromosome, cell functions, here we go. Nucleus makes ribosome, cytoplasm looks like jello, text the endoplasmic thing. Hello. The vacuole, the storage thing, I'm rapping you, yes. You catch me everywhere you go, breaking down them chemicals, you guessed it right, I'm ribosome. My time is running out right now, so I guess I gotta say, peace out. Hey yo, it's Alweezy. I forgot to say, big thanks to Leah, Downing, Cameron, Kayla, or is it Kaya? I don't know if I said it, but I'm pretty sure Haley Pickett was in on it too. But anyway, I gotta go. It's raining out. So, wait, how does those rappers do it? I don't know. Peace!
Hi you guys, I am Lisa Lowell, and I am Alweezy's manager, and we're about to go pick him up from the orthodontist. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it even though he has no talent whatsoever. So bye!